Good morning. It's July 14th, going out to do a family day trip. This marks my first YouTube video, but starting off the day, we're gonna be loading up and strapping down some of this, my fridge, my power bank and stuff like that into the back of the rig. And then, we'll start our day, start heading to the Oregon coast, and hopefully you enjoy the video. As you can see in the GFC, I don't really have like a permanent, I guess you can say, setup. Just kind of have the fridge tied down with straps. I installed this D-ring here to kind of hold down the Go Zero and the fridge from like moving around while driving. Bringing the solar panel just to keep this charged because we're gonna be on the coast pretty much the whole day. And I got the Temple Tusk up there, hooked to a carabiner, a little like tiny D-ring I got off Amazon. I got both of them off Amazon. And then of course, can't go without the chairs. So that's pretty much it. So while sleeping, wife went out, snuck out without me knowing. Got breakfast. Looks so good. I've never eaten here, but it's a local spot near where we live called Biscuitology. Kyla here is definitely excited. You enjoy breakfast? Grabbing Kai some beach toys at Safeway. Which one do you want, Kai? That one?
Should we get the big one or you want that one? Should we get two? Hey, look.
You want both?
What are you doing? You ready to go to the beach?
We made it. I don't know what's going on down there though. Looks like a fire or something.
Oh, my finger was in the camera. Whoops.
Rookie. So we found a pretty sweet spot. Kind of in the middle of everyone. I don't know about everyone else, but when I come to hang out, I like to be kind of far away from people. So something's going on down there. I have no idea. It's like a fire. But yeah, get the tent set up. Come here. Go, come on, let's go. Come here. Maybe in the next video I'll do like a walk around maybe for anyone that's interested that watches this. Right there, just walked around. No, but yeah, maybe the next one. I do have a rear bumper coming as well. Maybe I should wait, but so for the people who are unfamiliar with GFC and don't really know how it works, literally this pin just pops out like that. Trying to do this with one hand, pop that out like that, Same thing to the other side. I can do it with one hand. Boom. You just push up. And boom. Just like that. You're all set up. I did get the option without those side windows or the side doors because I used to have a CVT tent, and one thing I didn't like is when you wake up in the cold mornings and then you just feel like the really cold breeze at the top of your head, and during those times I just want to be all cozy and warm. So I got no side doors, so you could get where it's open here and it unzippers kind of like the back. And I also did no back window for more privacy. So yeah, here's what it looks like. Right, so let's get setting up. First things first. Got the Shitco awning kit. Nice to allow it to stay open and have a little breeze on top. So a mistake I've made, well, real quick. So we picked up at Safeway when we were there. Wife loves these, so I usually just drink it too. Some soda, different flavors. I got myself Arizona, water. And yeah, my mistake I said earlier was I forgot to bring a propane tank for the Temple. So instead of making the meal, we ended up stopping by, I think it's called Grizzly Tuna. And I think this is my second time trying it, and according to the locals out here, it's a favorite.
Hi,
Hey.
Daddy.
You like it? You like the sand?
It's not like Hawaii.
Not
Ow,
like
ow.
Hawaii. Lunchtime.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Kyla approve. She's just eating tortilla. Yum.
Oh, good. Wife likes to drink this Ace cider, and I think I tried the peach. Oh, is it peach? Peach, mango. I think there's a peach. What's the other flavor?
The one that I just tried.
There's mango. There's another. Oh, pineapple. So there's mango, pineapple, guava. Those are the three I tried, and so far, this guava one is by far my favorite one. Go ahead and try it. Let me know what you think. If you're watching this, to my one subscriber.
Pretty busy today.
Yeah, it is pretty busy. It's probably because it's nice out. Today's Thursday too, so I didn't think it was going to be as much people as there is. Chillin'. Another cool thing is if the camper's all closed up, for whatever reason, they want to kind of stick your head out here. Boom. She comes.
Last one.
Dog, kiddo. I'll show you guys how well we fit up here with the dog, kid, 2 adults. Pretty spacious. Our little dog, kids, still have all that room. Wife sits right there. All this room. And this is just the standard camper. This isn't even the XL. Whoa! XL's usually for full-size rigs, Tundras. the GFC logo on the inside.
666! Yeah!
So just for reference, if you're looking into a GFC, I am 6'2", and I fit pretty comfortable. My headroom over here.
1 hour later.
Good afternoon. Well, we just took a nap in the GFC, and we just woke up.
This little girl.
Well, she didn't take a nap.
She did not.
You didn't take a nap.
What the?
And the view is gorgeous. As usual, it didn't change. Weather is nice. Blue sky, no clouds. And it looks like they finally got whatever was burning down there controlled. What do you think of the new bed sheets? What? Say it to the camera so everyone can hear. What?
You're just getting her mouse.
Oh, am I?
Yeah.
And just like that, tent is shut. Should have filmed it, but I didn't. It's like a couple seconds, or not even a couple, maybe like, no, actually, yeah, maybe like 3, max 5 seconds, maybe. All right, so that about wraps up this video, our first video ever. It's about an hour drive back home. Still trying to get used to this. We're all packed up already. I didn't bother filming that. You guys kind of seen, or yeah, you guys kind of seen the back of the front. But you ready? Running on no nap, like a champ.